Good morning. I'm here at the IICRC Global Resource Center. I'm going to get a tour with Kim Stone and Matt Cole with the CFI. Kim's, what's your position here?
I'm the Certified Firms Manager.
Certified Firms Manager, which means?
I handle all of the company registrations and GRC projects.
Real quick, because they were talking about it at the board meeting yesterday. How do you qualify to be a certified firm?
So you have to have at least one active certified
Let's go inside where it's a little quieter.
And you have to have general liability insurance as well as pay the annual registration fee.
And how many technicians on staff that are certified at what level?
You're required to have at least one certified technician that is active in any category of services your company performs.
Anyone?
Anyone.
Okay. But if you're a certified water damage firm, obviously they have to be certified in.
And what we ask for at least obviously water damage, but we would prefer all ASD and commercial.
Okay. So this is the reception area. And who's our man over here?
My name is Albert Washington.
Albert, what's your position?
Help desk, front desk.
Yeah? You a former carpet cleaner?
No, sir.
No?
No.
Do you know anything about the trade? You probably know plenty now, right?
Yeah, I know a lot now.
So the I is for international, right? The first I?
No.
The second I?
No.
Come on.
There's no international is not in the name.
What the heck is it?
Institute of Inspection,
Oh,
Cleaning, and
jeez.
Restoration.
Yeah, I can't even get that right. Good Lord.
So we have a
This is the war room
yes.
for all the staff managers.
I think it should be international with all this going on.
We do.
So what happens in here?
We have everything from staff meetings to interviews, any kind of meeting whatsoever. We also have a boardroom too.
Okay. What's the square footage on this building?
Wrong person to ask.
I don't know. I want to say it's either 10 or 20,000.
So this is our administrative.
You want me to go grab my Cymex?
This is our administrative. We have finance. This is an
That's new.
Yeah. So they closed off
Yeah.
the reception. I'm not sure exactly what they're going to be doing with it yet, but then we have our boardroom over here. We actually have too many board members
Oh boy, nice room.
to utilize this space anymore. So usually the EC will meet here. We'll have staff meetings.
How long have you been with the
I've
Institute?
been 4 years in May.
And this building's been around how long now?
They bought it in 2015.
So where did all this happen before owning this building?
Washington. The IICRC had a management company that worked out of Washington for years.
Washington State.
Yeah, 20 plus years.
But they didn't really have the staff they do now. It was
I'm
all
not
hired
sure
out.
what their numbers were, but they were the ones that ran the institute for many, many years.
And who instigated this move?
I don't know.
We'll figure that out. All right, so what else we got?
I knows more than I do.
Matt, who instigated the move and purchase of this building?
That was Darrell Polson. And the group from many years before that wanted to buy a building to actually have a strong permanent building for IICRCs, and the eventual thing of having their own staff instead of having a management company run it.
It's a heck of a learning center right here. All this tile and grout.
Yeah.
So this is new. This is the carpet that will go throughout. Everything's empty out of here because of the construction. Everyone had to move to the other side of the building. So this wall was not here. Matt's looking around all crazy.
Yeah.
This wall there was a wall here.
Yeah.
And then this was the renewal section. You know, Holly's office was
Yeah,
right
yeah,
here.
yeah.
So everyone's kind of relocated for right now while we're going through construction. There used to be only one stall bathrooms. This is new. This is another emergency exit we had to add due to fire code. But these bathrooms are brand new. There was single stalls.
Oh, this
So-
is where the kitchen was before.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but there was bathrooms, but they were single stalls.
This is all new?
Yes, they pulled them out and now there are multiple stalls.
Did you guys put this floor in with the intent of using it for learning purposes?
No, we had a contractor do it, like no one to use it.
But if we wanted to do a class on whatever, MDF baseboard protection or color sealing or,
Sure.
yeah.
I'm sure eventually.
I mean, I know that they did.
I mean, they were gentlemen put white
if you
grout
notice
in.
that there was marble on the front, I know that was intended.
Was it? Okay.
To use multiple surfaces, so that's new flooring, this is new flooring, that's new
Did
flooring.
you guys get any of this donated from the mills or anything? Because I know that was part of the plan.
You know, Dennis Blake was the one that handled all of the construction
This,
of everything. And then you notice the flooring that we were in, the lobby was different flooring. So I know that was an intention to have multiple surfaces. This is an exit or an entrance to the training room so they can use the restroom.
Okay, yeah, make it a little easier during when we're at the board meetings, yeah.
The training room.
So this was the bathroom that was already here, this one, that was small.
Yeah, it was single stall. And this whole wall.
So we got another outside potential trading room. I say outside access. You could easily park a truck mount there. And you got some vinyl floors laid down here temporarily. But the sky's the limit in a room like this.
And we also have this room over here. So we never had staff back here, but they were also
Yeah, this is the
relocated.
room off of the training room, yeah. Yeah.
But now we're utilizing it for staff. But this is Dennis Blake's goal is to have an
There was a wall
additional
in here too, wasn't there?
training. There's two offices.
Kim, what's going on over here at these
This is
desks?
our renewals department. All of these staff work on everyday renewal calls and
They're
processing
calling
those.
out?
Yeah, they're on the phone right now too, so.
We get calls out and mostly in. So they process all of our technicians' renewals. And then
Do
we'll
little
send it
repairs.
over to the training room.
Okay. All right. Have we seen the whole building then?
Yeah, and this is just the hallway that we can go.
I'm a little bit over there. Just turned 24.
Filming
That's
in.
Rachel's daughter.
Huh?
That's Rachel's daughter.
Oh, no shit, yeah, I can see.
She like so that was the intent of this flooring
Yeah.
too, to kind of change it up.
It's a whole lot of vinyl.
She, these are storage rooms.
I think we've seen it all. Well, there's all kinds of potential here, huh, Matt? For real training.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
that was the game plan.
Fantastic.
We
And the
do,
buildings, the building they made, the building's worth like twice as much more than when they first
Oh,
bought it. They
absolutely.
bought it in the low time of the period.
was
Mhm.
it 14? 2014?
Bought it in 2012,
12.
that's when they
So,
bought it.
oh yeah, it's
And,
just,
yeah, and for like a little over $1 million it's worth. People have already tried, I remember when I was on the board, they tried buying it for millions, like 2 or 3 million, they don't
well,
offer
and
it
this,
yet.
the square footage is insane when it comes to around here.
Yeah, I want to say, it's either 10 or 20,000, I forget.
So
It's
that,
pretty big.
that class that's going on right now back there, what course is it and where do those students come from? Are they locals?
No, they come over, I mean, not too far, most of them California, Arizona. I don't know what class this particular one is. I can find out, but like last week we had, Monday through Wednesday, we had the WRT water training. And then Thursday and Friday, we had resilient floor maintenance training. So we had 2 classes, and they were all from all over.
And these are all listed on the website now.
Yeah.
It can't
I've
be.
seen-
Yeah, anyone, you could have an event here, Mikey's
Yeah.
board could have an event here. Anyone can rent the facility.
I don't
And
have to.
it's
I don't have to be a certified instructor
No.
to utilize the building.
No,
No.
they can have a church.
Who approves that? The use of the building.
We have Deanna, our instructor help desk, is the one that schedules it. We just ask for liability insurance and a few paperwork, but it's not necessarily, as long as it's open, you can rent it. And we
What's
do
the
it at-
rental charge for
I
that?
know there's a
It's cheap.
it's very cheap.
It's cheap, it's
There's
fine.
a $500 deposit. As far as the room, I don't want to overprice. It's like one something.
150 a day, it's way
Yeah.
too cheap.
150 a day
Yeah, it needs to go up. It's
for that classroom, or what about the back room, or do you get both?
No
move
one's
back and forth?
actually ever utilized that area yet.
That's available.
I don't see why not.
Okay.
It's
Awesome.
really about timing. Just as long as the rooms are available and we don't have anything going on, we're pretty open. But this year, even before we did the construction, we were having a class at least once a month. Mainly locals, just because it's convenient for them. Like Mike Shulo's here at least 2 times a month, but he lives locally, so it's convenient for him. Stanley Steamer's coming out in January, I think, and they're having a big class out here. Service Master just had 2 classes here, so the only thing is we won't promote your class for you.
That's up to you. Yeah.
We'll host it because we don't want to conflict with any of our schools.
Right.
So we'll host, we'll host you and you can rent it, but we won't promote it for you.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
just like renting a hotel, at a hotel.
Yeah.
The conference room basically is all what it is, but,
All right. Well, thanks for the tour. Appreciate it. Gives me a lot of ideas. Thank you.